Okay, ceart trachas a trí, fáilte roimh. You're all very welcome. Agus gur míle mai agat Gaelphobal ar watha has. Go leiscail. Shout out to Gaelphobal ar watha has. And many thanks for the support you've provided in helping me continue to keep these lessons going. If you, dear listener, also want to support me, you can head over to patreon.com/Speaking Irish. And if you sign up there, you can get early access to new lessons and some other bonus treats from time to time as well. Now, can you remember how to say, where are you going? Because that's back from lesson 6. So, yeah, that's it. Cahill to go. Cahill to go. Now, we learned in our last lesson that if you want to put emphasis on something, we don't do that wiggle with our voice. So if we want to say, where are you going? We're not going to lean into, we're not going to say, Cahill to you go. We don't like that. We're going to change to tussa, right? Tussa. So can you say, where are you going? Well done. Cahill tussa go. Cahill tussa go. Good stuff. And so we want to ask, where are, just simple, without emphasis, just use to, where are you going in the summer? Good. Cahill to go Ceantair. Cahill to go Ceantair. And we're going to answer, and this time we're using the future voice. We only did it really recently. I will go to Spain. I will go to Spain. Have we think about it? Good. Rahime na España. Rahime na España. Say it one more time. Rahime na España. Good stuff. So we've just answered. We've said, I will go to Spain. And now we follow through by asking back, where are you going? Go on. Cahill tussa go. Okay. So let's do that from the top. Say, where are you going this summer? Cahill to go Ceantair. I will go to Spain. Where are you going? Rahime na España. Cahill tussa go. Very good. Very good. So now we're going to ask back me. And to say that, you're going to use the emphatic form. We're not going to say may. May? No, that's not going to work. You need to use the new word we learnt in the last lesson. Can you remember it? Yeah, it's Mhacha. But we ask it as a question, Mhacha? So this is the response to, where are you going? Me? Mhacha? I'm going to Dublin. Did you hear I leant into that? I put emphasis on it. So how are we going to put that into, let's use the future tense. I will go to Dublin. Go on. Rahim Mhacha go baile clia. Good. So not Rahim me go baile clia. That's grammatically acceptable, but for the emphasis, we're saying Rahim Mhacha go baile clia. Now say, it'll be warm in Spain. Yeah. Beise che sa Spáin. But it will be cold in Dublin. Ac beise fuair in Mhaile Clia. Did you remember that? It was in Mhaile Clia. Very good. Now say, but that will be okay. Ac beise ceart go leor. Well done. Say it again. It will be okay because I will be in the pub. Did you hear the emphasis on the I? It will be okay because I will be in the pub. Ac beise ceart go leor mar be Mhacha sa pub. Good stuff. Say, last year I went to Spain. An bhliain seo caite hui me na Spáine. And it was too warm. Agus bhí sé ráthaí. Well done. Now put that all together. Say, last year I went to Spain and it was too warm. an bhliain seo caite hui mé na Spáine agus bhí seo rá. Can you remember to say and therefore or and so? Yeah, agus mar sin. Well done. Can you remember how to say I will stay in Ireland? Good. Fánaí mé in Mhúrn. So say, and therefore I will stay in Ireland this summer. Or in the summer. Use in the summer. Go on. Agus mar sin fánaí mé in Mhúrn sa todhraí. Say, I will go to Dublin and it will be cold. Raithí mé go baile clia agus bé sé fuair. And I like that. Agus is my liom sin. Can you remember how to say, I would like to go shopping? Just go with, I would like to go. Bhfuil gull, very good. And shopping is, yeah, shoppadóireacht. So we're going to say, Bhfuil gull ag shoppadóireacht. Well done. So now say, I will go to Dublin because I would like to go shopping. Raithí mé go baile clia mar bhfuil gull ag shoppadóireacht. Well done. Go mai. Say, I would like to go to Derry. Yeah, bhfuil gull go Derry. Say, I would like a pint. Bhfuil pinta. Ask. Can you remember this now? Ask, would you like a pint? Or bhfuil pinta. Very good. Now, we're going to learn a new future tense verb, and it's a bit irregular, so you can't guess it or figure out. It's iúir, and it means I will get. I will get. So, if you want to say, I will get a pint, it's iúir mé pinta. Iúir mé pinta. And we're going to learn for you. So that's ditch. And you may have come across that. It's the same ditch as in Gia ditch, okay, which we use to say hello. God, I guess God with you or God for you, right? And we're going to put that together to say, I will get you a pint. Good. Iúir mé pinta ditch. Well done. Say it again. Iúir mé pinta ditch. Go mai. Ask, would you like a pint? Or bhfuil pinta? Now be a bit more assertive. Say, you'll have a pint. Use the future tense. You'll have a pint. Bé pinta agat. Very good. Now disagree. Say, I won't. As in, like, I won't have a pint. Someone has just said, bé pinta agat, but you don't want one. What do you say? Oh, ní bheidh. Ní bheidh. Say, I would not like a pint. That's hard. Can you remember? Níor bhaith pinta. That's a hard one because it doesn't come up very much. Say it again. I wouldn't like a pint. Go on. Níor bhaith pinta. Say, I wouldn't like a cup of tea. Níor bhaith cup of coffee. Oh, go mai leis go. That's wrong. Did you spot my mistake? Yeah, of course I said coffee instead of tea. Okay, let's move on. Say, I wouldn't like to go to Spain. Níor bhfuil gull na Spáine because it's too hot. Mar tá sé rá. I will stay in Ireland in the summer. Fánaí mé in Mhúrn sa todhraí. And I will go to Dublin. Agus raithí mé go baile clia because I would like to go shopping. Mar bhfuil gull ag shoppadóireacht. But it will be cold. Ach bé sé fuair. And so I will go to the pub. Agus mar sin, raithí mé go dtí an pub. and I will have 20 pints of Guinness. Agus bei fiche pinte Guinness agam. Now, instead of saying I will have using bei agam, right, we're going to say I will get using our new word which we just learned, Iúir. Say, I will get 20 pints of Guinness. Iúir may fiche pinte Guinness. Great stuff. Say, I will get 20 pints of Guinness for you. Iúir may fiche pinte Guinness stitch. Very good. Now here's a trick. You might be thinking, I don't want 20 pints of Guinness. And if someone has said, Iúir may fiche pinte Guinness stitch, you might be thinking, but I'll just say, ní bheidh. But that won't work. Okay? You can only say ní bheidh if the person has said bei. Bei fiche pinte Guinness agat. Then you can say ní bheidh. Okay? Because you're repeating the same verb in the negative. So let's just say, I wouldn't like 20 pints of Guinness. How do you say that? Or let's make it easier. Just say, I wouldn't like Guinness. Thank you. Oh, níor bhailm Guinness. Gur mai agat. Say it again. Níor bhailm Guinness. Gur mai agat. Say, I will have a glass of water. Bei glynne ishka agam. Well done. Say it again. Bei glynne ishka agam. Maihu. Now let's think about other things that we can get. Do you remember how to say, did you get a good sleep? That was from a few lessons ago. Yeah. And where to call mai? And where to call mai? And your answer can be fuair. I did get. So just say as a sentence, I got a good sleep. Fuair me call mai. Well done. Now ask, and did you get a good sleep? Put emphasis on it. Agus mhúr tusa call mai. Well done. It's easy, right? Now we're going to talk about the future, and we're going to say, I will get a good sleep. Go on. Iúir may call mai. Very good. Let's put emphasis on it. Go on. I will get a good sleep. Iúir Mhacha call mai. Very good, very good. I will get a good sleep because I will have 20 pints of Guinness. Good. Iúir Mhacha call mai. Mar bei fiche pinte Guinness agam. Ask, would you like 20 pints of Guinness? Or while you at fiche pinte Guinness? Say, I'll get you 50. Comhairle, I'll get you 20 pints of Guinness. Iúir may fiche pinte Guinness stitch. Come on. Sin é, inis, that'll do for now. Okay? Slán.